Use a large wrench to adjust the device angle to the appropriate position. Switch to a small wrench to open the side cover of the device. Insert the SIM card. Pay attention to the direction of the card. Insert the TF card. Be especially careful about the insertion direction of card 1 and card 2. Use a small wrench to tighten the side cover. Model N51. Camera connected to a V3 interface. Monitor connected to F4 AV-out interface. Model N52. Camera connected to a V3 and AV4 AV-out interfaces. Then connect the RS-to-3 to cable. Similarly, pay attention to the direction of the interface. Next, connect the GPS antenna. Pay attention to the correct orientation of the antenna interface. Plug in the power and wait for the device to start. Open the UView app and enter the interface. Search for the Wi-Fi hotspot named on your phone and connect to it. Click Login. Click on the upper right corner to refresh the video. Live video playback.